Welcome to Alien Racing. This build's going to be sick. It's a 1,500-pound kit car made by Exomotive and is called an Exocet. So we're going to be modifying the floor and the rear bumper. For the floor, we're going to be putting those seat brackets in to mount my Sparco seats. Put sleeves in them. We're going to be putting gussets to help strengthen for lateral movement. Already got done with the passenger side. Also added a bracket for the floor to strengthen it. Going to be putting some diamond plate up on top of it. Time to cut, weld, and grind. Well, let's get started. Can't forget safety first.
Girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done. Girls with their girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done now.
Here's the finished product. Rear bumper and both floors modified for the seats.
Nails done. I think the girls with their nails done.
Rear bumper came out pretty cherry. Tried a different technique around the corners because they didn't have a tube bender. But I'm still liking it and it should still be pretty strong. We'll be making some more episodes. Subscribe if you want to watch them.
Thanks for watching.